Hello everyone, class 5th. So we are going to solve our new exercise of exercise number 1. As earlier we solved the questions of place value and it is related to place value. So we solve that questions by using the place value chart, and those similar topics we are studying in solving in exercise number 1A. So our first question is, give the place value of underlined digit. Yes, give the place value of underlined digit. In question number 1, there are some digits, there are some numbers. So in that numbers, there are a number which is underlined there. So we are going to dictate that number, that which value of this number actually are. So let's see how many numbers are there, how many digits are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 digits in the question. So we just put the questions in place value chart, and after the putting the question we get our answer. So I put 5 here. Why I am putting 5 there? Because 5 is in the place of ones. 5 is in the place of ones. After that I put the 4 in the column of tens, because 4 is lies in the column of tens. Similarly, I put 3 in the column of hundreds, because the value of the 3 is in the hundreds column. Now I put 0 in the column of thousand. The period of ones to 100, the periods of ones to 100 is called as ones period. In ones period there are ones, tens and hundreds are there, and they turn as ones period. The value of ones is also said to be unique value. Okay. After that I put here 0 in the column of thousand. That means now after on by 1000 and 10,000 there are 1000 period. These both are known as 1000 period. So continuing our question, another 0 is there. So I just put it here 0. After that our underlying number is 9. So I put it in the column of lakh, and after that the number is 8. So this place is vacant, so no need to write any number there. Okay. So what was our question? Our question was, please tell the place value of the underlined question. So underlined question was 9. So tell me what is the value of 9 in the chart? Exactly. The value of 9 is in the lakh. That means what I do? I do just put these numbers in the place value chart and I just get my answer. So my answer is 9 lakh. What is the place value of 9? The place value of 9 is lakh. So what I write here? I write here 9 lakh. 9 lakh. My answer is 9 lakh. Yes, exactly. So just write down here 9 lakh and our answer is done. After that I am going to solve the question number B of question number first. So first of all we have to do that, just count the numbers. To find the numbers, what are the numbers in the digits? That means how many digits are there. If we find how many digits are there, we just have to put the digits in the place value chart, and after that we just have to watch the place value chart, and in the column of that number we have to just write the underlying numbers value, that called as place value. Okay. So which term is this? Unit term or ones term. Just I write here 2, 1, 1, 4, 3, 0, 3. No need to write anything here. Okay. So till 100 there is a ones period, till 1000 to 10,000 there is a 1000 period, and till lakh to the 10 lakh is lakh period, and after that crore period by crore and 10 crore. Okay, so which number is underlined here? 3 is underlined there. So just read with me: ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Yes, 10 lakh. So our answer is 10 lakh. What is our answer? 10 lakh. But 10 lakh is not our answer. 10 lakh is the value, but the face value is 3. That means our answer is 30 lakh. What is the value of these 3? The value of these 3 is 30 lakh. Here we what we write down there? 9 lakh. Why? Because the value of that 9 is 9 lakh. If I told you to write what is the value of 8 here, so value of 8 is 80 lakh, because just multiply by 10 after the lakh period is 10 lakh, and whichever there is number, we have just to multiply that number by their place value. So the value of 3 is here, 10th lakh value, and the face value is there 3. So multiply 3 by 10 lakh. What is our answer? 30 lakh. Okay, our answer is 30 lakh. Why I write down there 30 lakh? Because the chart is here by place value, and the value of our 3 is 10th lakh value, but the answer of this underlying number is 30 lakh, because it shows us 30 lakh 34,112. While I read this number, automatically I know the answer of this question. See, 30 lakh 34,112. 30 lakh 34,112. 30 lakh means the value of 3. The value of 3 is 30 lakh. So now similarly this method is used for solving the numbers which are based on the place value question. Okay, now we are going to solve the question number C, and the question number C is also similar to this question. Now just put the values in the place value chart, and if you don't want to put the value in the place value chart, you have to just memorizing the concept by reading the number ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. 10 lakh means 3. 3 into 10 lakh means 30 lakh. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. 9 lakh is there. So just multiply by 9 into lakh value. But for very accuracy, we are going to write in the place value chart, and we getting our answer. Now our third question is, I write here, unit value or ones value is 9, tens value is 8, hundreds value is 3, thousand value is 3, 10,000 value is 9. After that lakh is 7 and 10 lakh is 8. Okay, while I am reading the numbers, I start from left side to right side, but while the solving the question, we are going to solve by right side to left side. Okay, so underlying number is 9. Okay, 9 ones are there, 8 tens are there, 3 hundreds are there, 3 thousands are there, and 9 10,000s are there. 9 10,000 means 90,000, because 9 multiplied by 10,000, that means our answer is 90,000. 90,000 is the value which comes under the 10,000 period. Okay, so just I write there 90,000. This is very easy questions, and just depend on the place value chart, and we have to solve according to the place value chart. So question 4 is for you to solve at your home. Just you have to do, open your notebook and pen, try to solving these questions accordingly. I said you the methods. Okay, so write down in your notebook. Please write the value of 2, which is unit value or ones value, after that tens value, after that hundreds value, after that thousands value, after that 10,000 value, and so on till the last number or last digit comes. Just put the underlying number and see the value of that number. After knowing the value of that number, you have to check by reading the number. So I read this number, okay? The number is ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. That means 87 lakh 93,389. What I say to you? The value of 9 is 90,000. While I reading the number, I get 93,000 in my pronunciation. So the answer is it itself by the reading the number that the value of 9 is 90,000. Okay. So let me know what the answer of 2. You have to solve in your notebook, and this is your homework for the question number 1. Moving on our question number 2, which is in the exercise of exercise number 1A and question number 2. What is the question number 2? The question number 2 is give word form and expanded notation numbers. What is meant by word form? Word means in alphabets in the form of A, B, C, D or any types of words. That means I write here lakh, okay, lakh, thousand. These are nothing but in the form of words. So we are going to just write down the numbers in words. That means whatever the number is, we have to just write down the number in the words. After that, we have to expand this number. As earlier I told you about this process or these questions or these topics by expanded form means expansion of numbers or putting out the numbers or separating the numbers. Okay. So first of all, we do the we write the numbers in the words, and after that we are going to just expand that number. Okay. So same process is here. Just put in the place value chart. Then we know what is the value of this number. After that, just separating the place value and face value, we get our expanded form. Okay. So question number 1, I am writing there. What is the ones or unit value? Here 4. What is the tens value here? 5. What is the hundreds value here? 6. What is thousand value here? 9, 0, 7 and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 digit numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You having to check accordingly the questions because math is practice subject. One small mistake makes your answer incorrect. So you have to need check the questions or answer accordingly throughout the solution. Okay. So now in this question we are not going to just saying the value. We are going to write the whole term in the word, and after that expansion of that number. So now what is the last digit here? 6, and 6 is present in the column of 10th lakh. 10th lakh means lakh term. By 10th lakh and lakh, that means 67 lakh 9,654. Yes, very simple. By just putting the questions or values in the place value chart, you just able to read and write the number as I said earlier to you. Okay. So ones 4 is there, tens 5 is there, 6 present in the column of hundreds, 9 is present in the column of thousand, 0 is present in the column of 10,000, 7 is present in the column of lakh, and 6 is present in the column of 10 lakh. 10 lakh means 60 lakh, 7 lakh, 0, 10,000, 9,600, 5 tens and 4 ones. That makes combinedly 67 lakh 9654. As I told you to take last two digits combinedly or togetherly to pronounce it and divide them into their periods of ones, thousand and lakh or crore. Any number there. You just have to pick that number and write that number. Okay. So I am going to write our answer is 67 lakh 9,654. So our half answer is done and half answer is going on. Okay, so now we are going just to separate the numbers. So 4 multiplied by 1, that means 4 is present in the column of 1. So I multiply the number by its value. The number is nothing but the face value and the position or place is nothing but the place value of that similar number. Okay, so I write here. Now 5 is present in the column of tens. Just multiply by 5 into tens. That means 50. So write down here 50. We are going to make the answer accordingly to the expanded notation. Okay. Now 6 multiply by 100. That makes 600. Now 9 is present in the column of 1000. Then 9 multiply by 1000. That makes 9000. Okay. Please do work in your notebook while I am writing because it is very important topic. Okay. Now 0 is present in 10,000 column. If I multiply 0 by 10,000, any number with going to multiply by 0 makes the number 0. Yes, whichever or whatever number is, if we multiply by it 0, the answer is 0. That means vacant place. We have no need to write there. Okay. Now what is the value of 7? The value of 7 is 7 multiplied by the position of the value or the place of the value or place value. 7 multiplied by lakh. That means 7 lakh. Now what is the value of 6? The value of 6 multiplied by 10 lakh. 6 tens are 60 and lakh means lakh. That means 60 lakh. So now see, 60 lakh, 60 lakh, 7 lakh, 7 lakh, no 10,000, 0 10,000, 9,000, 9 present in the table of or the column of 1000, 600, yes, 6 is present in the hundreds column, 50, yes, 5 tens are there and 4, that means 4 ones are there. This is ones, not 0. That means unit term or unit value. Okay. So just we solved our question number first. Here there is no more space, so I write there in very small numbers. But you can hear me. You are just going to write in your notebooks. Okay. So first question is almost done. Now we moving on our next question. Okay. Okay. So our second question is 983108009 first of all we are going to just count the digits. How many digits are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Oh, there are 8 digits and we studied about the 7 digits. So now I introduce you about 8 digits. Yes, 8 digit makes big numbers. So our new place is found. That place known as crore. You hear about the crore? You hear about crorepati, or what is meant by crore? Crore is the term while we multiply 10 lakh into 10. That makes 100 lakh, and 100 lakh is nothing but 1 crore. Okay, if I multiply by 1000 into 100, what is the answer? 100,000. But what we say? We say 1 lakh for 100,000 and 1 crore for 100 lakh. This counting or place value comes under Hindu Arabic number system or Indian Arabic system, and we are going to solve this question according to the Hindu or Indian Arabic number system. Okay, so our 8th place is known as crore place. You get it? You got it? Yes. So now we are going to just put the values and get the answer. Okay, we are going to write the values as per given here. Unit value or ones value is 9, so I write here 9. 0 tens are there, 8 hundreds are there, 0 thousand are there, 1 10,000 is there, 3 lakh is there, 8 10 lakh is there, and 9 crore is there. So just we are going to write the number in the words form as I written there. 9 crore 83 lakh 10,809. 9 crore 83 lakh 10,809. So just write here in words. NINE 9 CRORE crore 80 EIGHTY 3 lakh 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 10,000 809. If 0 present in any place, we are just no need to write there because we going to make that place vacant. Okay, so 9 crore 83 lakh 10,809. This is our half answer is done. Now move on to expand that number. Similarly, 9 multiply by, correct, 9 multiply by 1, that makes 9 into 1 9. I just write here 9. As I am moving to solve this number, we are going to write this number according to our right hand side to left hand side direction. 0 multiply by 10s, every number which is multiple by 0 is absolutely makes an 0. 8 multiply by 100, 800. Because the face value of 8 is 8 and the place value of 8 is 100, so multiply by place value into face value. Our expanded notation is getting out. Now, how many 0 are there? Only 1 0 is there. That means the column of 1000 is vacant. Now moving in the column of 10,000, 1 is there. That means 1 multiplied by 10,000 means 10,000. Now, how many lakh is there? 3 lakh is there. That means the place value of lakh is 3 multiplied by lakh. That means 3 lakh. Okay. Now, how many 10 lakh are there? 8 10 lakh are there. That makes 8 multiplied by 10 lakh. That means 80 lakh. Okay. So 80 lakh. In 80 lakh, while separating the thousand place ones period and lakh period or lakh term or crore term, you having two options. You have just put the commas, or instead of comma you have just put up the spaces for easiness of reading that number. Okay. Now after our last term is 9 and 9 is present in the column of crore. So just multiply by 9 into crore. That means 9 crore. Okay. If you don't get the crore term, you are just going all the digits by putting 0 there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That means in crore there are 8 digit, and after one digit you are going to just add 7 numbers of zeros. You get the zeros in crore. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 0, and the face value of this number is 9. That means 9 crore. Okay. So I writing here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. So this is our expanded notation, and the method of the expanded notation is given here. You have just writing the numbers by multiplying their place values, and you will getting the answers accordingly. Okay. So these two questions are I solved here, and you are going to solve another two questions which is present in your exercise book, and you are going to just solve these numbers. Okay. So our third question is, which I am going to write here. Give the standard numeral for the number. What is our question and what is meant by our question? Our question is standard numeral. So I give you one example, and after that you can get my point. This is 3-digit number, that makes 527. Okay. So this is expanded notation of this number. 7 ones, 2 tens, and 5 hundreds are there. If I read this number by now, this is the expanded notation of some number. I want to the standard numeral for this number. The standard numeral for this number is 527. Totally opposite of the expanded form. The totally opposite of expanded form is nothing but the standard numeral. In this question, you are going to just combining these numbers which are separated for by the expanded notation. Okay, what I do here, I do just combining this number by writing this is nothing but our standard numeral. Okay. So first question of standard numeral is Yes, you also write these questions, okay? So now this is our question of standard numeral, and this is in the form of expanded notation. So we are just going to write our place value chart. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. Okay. So just put the numbers in the column of place value. Okay. So this is 200 in the last, no tens, no ones. That means the vacant place, and as I told you earlier, the vacant place we write in the place value chart as 0. Okay. So now how many ones are there? 0 ones are there. How many tens are there? 0 tens are there. How many hundreds are there? 2 hundreds are there. How many thousands are there? 0 thousands are there. How many 10,000 are there? 4 10,000 are there. How many lakhs are there? 5 lakhs are there. How many 10 lakhs are there? Okay, so just put the commas. 6 10 lakhs are there. That makes 60 lakh. 60 lakh means 6 into 10 lakh. And how many crore are there? Just check the crore whether there are 7 digits or not after the digit. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Yes, this is a crore term. In crore term there are 8 digits, and after one digit there are 7 digits. So this is the value of crore. So now our answer is 4 crore 65 lakh 40,200. How many ones are there? 0. Check. How many tens are there? 0. Check. How many hundreds are there? 2 hundreds are there. Check. How many thousands are there? 0 thousands are there. Check. How many 10,000 are there? 4 10,000 are there. That makes 40,000. Check. How many lakhs are there? 5 lakhs are there. Check. You are checking the answers by our place value chart, and after your answer you have to dictate in by your question itself by the correctness or accuracy for our question. This is our answer is in the form of standard numeral. Standard numeral means I just combine the number and you are just accurate in the place value terms. If you are not, you can't get the answers correctly. So in the question number 3 of exercise 1, there are 4 questions. I solved here 1 question and 1 example given to you. Now you are going to solve the 3 questions that are remaining. Okay, and after that we discuss in our next session. Okay, thank you.